friends, today we are discussing rational numbers. The numbers which can be in the form of p by q, where p comma q are integers and q not equal to 0, that are called as the rational numbers. రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్లో కొన్ని ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఏంటివో ఇప్పుడు మనం నేర్చుకుందాము. క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీ. If a comma b belongs to q, in addition a plus b belongs to q, and we have to suppose 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 are the a comma b, that is equal to 3 plus 4 by 6, then 7 by 6. Closure property satisfied under addition in rational numbers. Then subtraction. A minus b belongs to q. Same. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 3 minus 4 by 6, that is equal to minus 1 by 6. Again integer. Minus 1 by 6 also a integer number in rational numbers satisfies. Multiplication. A into b belongs to q. 1 by 2 into 2 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 3. Multiplication is also satisfied. But division, a divided by b belongs to q. 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 3. Then we have to cross multiplication. 1 by 2 into వీటిని రివర్స్ చేసుకోవాలి. 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 4. So it is not satisfying. ఓకేనా. p comma q belongs to q, q not equal to 0. So it is not satisfying. Bye friends.